Good day, class. Today, I will be your teacher in Music 4. I am your teacher, Andrea. But before we proceed to our new lesson, let's have a quick review about what we discussed last time. Last time, we discussed about, yes, melody. And what is melody? Melody is a succession of musical tones that listener perceives as a single coherent entity or a tune. Very good, class. Okay, now class, I prepared here a video. But before we watch the video, what are you going to do? Okay, first, you need to listen para maintindihan mo ang imong ginalantaw kag makasabat ka sa question ni ma'am later. And second, hindi kita mag-istorya sa aton nga mga seatmate para malantaw naton sing maayo ang aton nga ginalantaw nga video. Is that clear, class? Okay. Let's watch the video together. Okay, class. After watching the video, what have you noticed? Yes, we heard the loud and soft sound. Now, class, do you have an idea what is our topic for today? Okay, today we will discuss about dynamics. But before that, let me present to you our learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, you are able to identify the definition of dynamics and recognize the symbol of dynamics. And second, demonstrate the difference between piano and forte through singing. And the third one is collaborate activity with group members to create creative interpretation of the assigned piece. Now, let us know what is dynamics. Dynamics is an element of music that refers to the loudness and softness of a song or musical piece. Okay, class, kung makabati ka mo sa mga music nga matunog, kagahinay, ginatawag ina nga, yes, dynamics. Okay, class, there are more kinds of dynamics. But today, duwa lang anay ang aton nga tun-an, which is the piano and the forte. Now, let us know what is piano class. In music, piano is a dynamic marking that means to play quietly or softly. Ang piano class, amo na siya ang ginatawag nga mahinay nga sound sang isa ka kanta or musical piece. Kag ang symbol sang piano class is letter P nga gamay nga gapahilay. Kung makita nato na siya sa notes class, buot silingon, dira kita mahinay or manubo sa pagkanta. Okay, class. I have here a picture. Try to look at the picture, class. What did you see in the picture, class? Yes, it's a bird or pispis. Do you think ang sound sang bird mahinay or matunog? Yes, mahinay. The sound of a bird is one of the example of piano. Now, let us know, class, what is forte. Forte is a dynamic marking that means to play strongly or loudly. Ang forte naman, class, amo naman na siya ang ginatawag naton nga matunog nga sound sang isa ka kanta or musical piece. Kag ang symbol niya naman na class is ang letter F nga gamay nga gapahilay. So just like the symbol of piano, kung makita naton ina siya sa musical score or sa mga notes, ang symbol sang forte, buot silingon, tunugon nato ng aton nga pagkanta or taason. Okay, class, naintindihan ba la, class? Okay, very good. Okay, class, this is the second picture. What did you see in the picture? Yes, an ambulance. Di nato ni siya makita, class. Yes, very good. Sa hospital. Do you think, class, ang sound sang ambulance is mahinay or matunog? Yes, matunog. The sound of ambulance is one of the example of forte. Okay, class. Do you understand what is dynamics? Again, class, what is dynamics? Okay, dynamics is an element of music that refers to a loudness and softness of a song or musical piece. Now, class, since you already know what is dynamics and the two kinds of dynamics, which is the piano and forte, let us proceed to our group activity. Okay, class, this is our group activity. Sa ating group activity, class, through singing, you need to show the difference between piano and forte. So, kung ano ang naka-assign sa inyo nga group, amo na ang inyo nga i-perform. So, kung piano ang symbol nga naka-assign sa inyo nga grupo, ang inyo nga pagkanta is mahinay or soft. Kag kung forte naman, or letter F nga gapahilay ang na-assign sa inyo nga group, ang inyo nga pagkanta is matunog or loud. Is that clear, class? Okay, very good. Okay, let's start our activity. But before that, I will divide you into two groups. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Okay, class, are you ready? Okay, now class, sa pag-perform sa kada grupo, ano ang inyo nga na-notice? Yes. So, ang una nga grupo, ang ilang nga pagkanta is mahinay. Kag ang isa naman ka grupo is matunog. And that's what we call Dynamics. So, sa group 1 class, kay tungod mahina yung ilang ang pagkanta, ano ang tawag natin dira? That is what we call the piano. And sa group 2 naman, amo inaang forte. Okay, very good class. Okay, now class, do you think na-apply nato ng dynamics sa aton nga daily life? Yes, na-apply nato ng dynamics sa aton nga daily life. Sa aton nga communication. Through communicating with other people. Di ba la class, sometimes ang aton nga tingog mahinay kag matunog. Di ba la kung may gusto kita ihutik sa aton nga mga kilala or sa aton nga seatmate, di ba la ginahinay lang nato ng aton nga tingog para hindi mabatian sa iban. Kag kung gusto naman naton maintindihan kag mabatian sang iban ang aton nga ginahambal or ginaistorya, ginatunog naton ang aton nga tingog. Do you think class, matawag naton ina nga dynamics? Yes, very good. Matawag naton ina nga dynamics. Okay, now class, please get your notebook and answer this activity. I will give you time to finish this activity. Are you done, class? Okay, so now get your assignment notebook and copy your assignment. Are you done, class? Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye, class.